We have a Liftmaster screw drive, half horsepower Security Plus model 200 SDR. This unit is opening and closing on its own, and using the remotes, they'll actually turn on, but the unit will just keep running. It won't stop with the remote when you press it after it turns on. Let me show you. I'm gonna press this remote. Watch this. All right, so it operates. Now when I go to press it again, you see I'm pressing it, it's still going. Now it'll run all the way till it gets to its limits, and then it stops. I'll try the other remote now. It goes now. It's not, okay, see, it did it there. All right, see, it won't do it. Naturally, my first assumption is gonna be the logic board's bad. That's what I would think, but let's check out the wall button. You wanna check your wall button, because when I came here to press the wall button, it's, if you can see it there, it's pushed in on this side right here. It's like pretty much stuck in there, and then it's pushed out over here. So see, it's not doing anything. You gotta move it around. Okay. Now, if I pull on the wall button, look at that. See, the light comes on? I'm pulling the wall button off the wall, and the light's coming on. So we're gonna loosen this wall button a little bit. That thing's in there tight. We're gonna take the wall button off and see if we can fix this this button that's on here. So now you can see the light is coming on and off. So let's take this off right here. On this side, the button is pushed all the way in, the white piece. On the right side, you see it? How it's collapsed in? I'm gonna take this board off really quick and then see if I can snap the button on the inside back in. I'm gonna remove these two screws right here to take this piece out. All right, got the screws out, and this piece comes right out like that. We'll sit that down right there. Okay, right in here is what the issue is. So from the top, the lock button, and right there on the bottom. So let's see if this can snap. Okay, that one snapped in. And we'll snap this last one in. Right there. Now, this can happen sometimes if, you know, you push too hard on the unit or it's too tight on the wall. That can usually happen. So what we'll do is we'll put the board back in on the back, and we'll hook it up to the wall and see if that fixes the problem. This is white and red. On here I have white and blue, so I'm just gonna put them back how they were. The white on the white, the blue on the red. Got a screw here. This bottom is open. It slides on top of the screw like that, and then your top screw goes right into the top. All right, try it one more time. It's on, going, press the back, it's reversing back up, and I stopped it. Let's try the remotes. All right, the remotes from here. It's on, press it again, it's reversing back up, it stopped. Looks like we're good to go. If you don't check your wall buttons on these units, when you have that error, you can slip and think that it's a logic board, so be careful. So you're not doing all the extra work, opening up the motor, changing parts out, and all it is just an adjustment on the wall. This was just pushed too tight on one side, on the corner, and it got stuck in. That's all it was.